easily the biggest snowstorm we have had in a long time here in the Carolinas. I don't remember us really getting snow this big for several years, in fact. But see, you could see people riding ATVs on the road. And yes, by the way, the road's completely covered in snow this time. There wasn't any snow. There wasn't really much snow on the road the last time we had a semi snowstorm where we got about an inch of snow. No, we got like, right now we're at about 4 or 5 inches, and we might pass the 8-inch mark. And if we do, apparently it will make it the biggest snowstorm in my lifetime, since the last time we got over 8 inches of snow was in 2004, and the Charlotte Metro was in 2004. So this is an absolutely insane snowstorm. Let's just look at the yard here. It gets deeper the further down you go too. Like some localized spots here, I say maybe you can walk up. Some of them might be 1 to 2 inches in some spots because, you know, walk up, whatever. Other spots are like, you know, 6 or 7 inches already. And again, we're talking about 8 inches overall possible for here. And you can see the snow doesn't look like it's slowing down anytime soon either. So yeah, I think it's pretty insane that we got a massive winter storm right after a massive ice storm just 6 days ago. Yeah, it's a little gusty out here. As you can see in my camera, I'm trying to mainly pointing it at the ground so it doesn't get wet. But as you see, even the porch over here is covered. If I can see, we're now under the shed here. Look at this. Some dusting on the sides here. You have some snow spots over here too. So yeah, this is an absolutely amazing view we have here of the snow. Winter storm, apparently winter storm Hannah. I'm probably gonna post another point of view blog as a whole, which this will be in, but I'm gonna decide to go ahead and post this on regular YouTube, so y'all can see my perspective of the snowstorm so far. Again, it's about 1 o'clock right now, and yeah, the snow is still not done, far from done. So I'm always stoked to see how it's gonna look later, especially after sunset. It'd be really cool to see what the snow's gonna look like at night. But until then, see ya. Okay, so I'm out here. I'm about to go inside, but I've been in the snow all day, which is why I haven't filmed much. But this is an absolutely insane snowstorm. This could probably prove just how deep it is. I sort of can't believe I'm in North Carolina right now because of like how big this is. Like right here, it is science because we rode on a side by side through here. But yeah, you can definitely see everything. It's really deep over there. And see, this is nighttime vision. It looks really cool at night, I'd say. But yeah, I am impressed. Again, we were originally expecting about 4 to 8 inches. We might have got more than that. This is definitely the most snow we have seen here in years. And in fact, from what I saw, it's the most in my entire life, which I believe it. So like, and the snow is still falling. It's supposed to fall till about 6 a.m., which is about 11 hours from now. So this could be all soft tomorrow. In fact, I will make a video tomorrow, but yeah, it's been really cool out here. Snow cars are completely covered. We were gonna make some snow cream, but never did. Maybe tomorrow. But yeah, definitely enjoyed it. And if you're here in North Carolina as well, I hope you enjoyed your day in the snow. And yeah, so great day. And most of it is still gonna be here in Fluffy tomorrow. So back for another day tomorrow. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. And this concludes the first day of I forgot the name of the winter storm. Winter storm something with a G, but that'll be in the title. But yeah,